In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to issue an invoice from Freshbooks. Whether you're new to Freshbooks or just looking to streamline your invoicing process, this guide is tailored to help you send out invoices efficiently and professionally. To get started with creating an invoice, begin at the Freshbooks dashboard. Here, you'll see a button labeled Create New. Click this button, and from the drop-down menu, select Invoice. This is often the quickest way to jump into the invoice generation process. However, if you're navigating through your clients or projects, there are alternative methods. For instance, you can head over to the Clients section. Simply choose the client you wish to bill, navigate to their Invoices subtab, and you'll find a plus button. Clicking this will directly initiate an invoice tailored to that client. Another way is through the Projects section. By selecting a project, you can click More Actions and then choose Generate Invoice to set up a new invoice related to that project. Once you've begun the invoice, it's time to fill out the necessary details. Selecting a client is your first step. If you've worked with this client before, simply pick them from your existing list. If they're new, add them to ensure the invoice is correctly addressed. For each product or service you're billing, add a line item specifying its description, quantity, and rate. These details are crucial for maintaining transparency with your client. If applicable, don't forget to add any taxes, making sure every regulatory detail is squared away. Personalized additions like notes or specific payment terms can be added in designated fields to maintain clear communication with your client. And for a touch of branding, consider adding your business logo or any customization options that reflect your brand identity. With all the details filled in, you're ready to send the invoice. At this stage, click Send to preview the invoice before it's dispatched. This preview is an important step to verify that all client information, especially email addresses, is accurate and complete. Confirming these details helps prevent any miscommunications or delays in payment. Once you're satisfied with the preview, click Send Invoice to email it directly to your client. If emailing isn't your preferred method, Freshbooks offers additional options. You can share the invoice via a link, offering a convenient way for the client to view it online. Alternatively, if you need to keep a personal record or manually deliver it to the client, the More Actions menu allows you to download the invoice as a PDF. This flexibility ensures you can choose the method that best suits both your and your client's needs. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to handling invoicing smoothly and efficiently using Freshbooks. Happy invoicing!